What's going on, guys? I have a Traxxas SLayer in my left hand. I got a Traxxas SLayer in my right hand. Two-speed drift, baby! Traxxas SLayer is probably, I would say, the best nitro of 2022, and actually the best nitro of many years in the future. Doesn't matter what year this is, it doesn't matter what inflation is, you cannot kill a Traxxas Nitro SLayer PRO 4x4. What makes the Traxxas SLayer great? Well, it's a sickening nitro 2-speed short course truck, of course. The Pro 4x4 is quite long. It's about 23 inches long. Nice Revo style inboard shocks. Let's take a look at the chassis before we fire them both up. We got the blue and we have the red. Chassis wise, this is basically a Revo. And you know what, guys? The Revo is one of the best nitros ever made. The SLayer is more or less the lightweight version. It features a 2-speed forward-only transmission, inboard cantilever style shocks with push rods, just like on the Revo. Revo spec drivetrain heavy-duty components, awesome dual-stage pre-oiled air filter, high revving Traxxas 3.3 nitro motor, the Traxxas resonator dual chamber tuned pipe with, in my opinion, a highly underrated feature that more nitros should have, and that is rear exhaust. When you have exhaust exiting the rear end, you got yourself a really nice MC Hammer mixtape. But in reality, you also have a clean looking nitro. Most nitros, the exhaust exit on the side, and then you have to wash the entire side of the body. The wheel gets oil on it. It just looks messy.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Let's fire it up. Easy start, guys. Starts all the time. Traxxas SLayer hitting the RC track. It's natural habitat. Oh yeah, I see the oil coming down that pipe. Running nice. 2-speed, baby. The 2-speed on the SLayer is an optimized gear ratio to sound rich, loud, and sexy. That's right, 2-speed. That sounded sexy to me. Two-speed, baby. Takes the turns great. Man, this thing has such great brakes as well. 2-speed. Goes nice and straight when you peg the throttle. Whoa! I will call this a highly predictable track car. It goes down the track, no problem. Slows down, I could see all 4 wheels working to stop it. Traxxas SLayer hit the 2-speed. Incredible suspension handling ability of this road surface. Whoa! when that 2-speed hits, you can really see the difference. They call this the optimized 2-speed gear ratio. And I see what they optimized it for, being sickening. Dan, tell everyone, how do you like the Slayer?
Oh, this thing runs.
It's incredible,
so
right?
good.
This is kind of your first Revo style chassis, huh? Oh!
Yeah, it runs super good.
Compared to like a T-maxx or anything else, it's totally different, right?
Totally different. Compared to Slash, it's different. It's just so stable.
Yeah.
Runs so good.
No flips, the brakes are incredible.
Yes.
Dude, we're having a whole conversation, and the Slayer is idling right there in the background. If we had any eggs, I could pull out the low-C egg cooker, we could make an omelet right now. This thing would still be idling. Incredible, can't believe it. Awesome rear exhaust on this. Chassis stays clean, and it's very realistic looking. Let's fire up the Traxxas Slayer, but I obstructed the easy start point with my camera. Sickening. How am I gonna get this thing in? Gotta warm it up, let's warm it up.
touch this.
If you smell what the Nitro Gang is cooking.
So fine, but her breath is like, she say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to.